Hello everyone, welcome to the 11th video of my data science tutorial series. I hope you all are doing well. So far we have dove into the detail of NumPy arrays and ND array object. From this video, we will take a look at how to use pandas for data manipulation. So panda is a package which is built on top of NumPy and provides an efficient implementation of a data frame. So what is a data frame? Data frames are actually multidimensional arrays with rows and column levels, and often they have different types, and also they might have missing data. So pandas actually provides a convenient storage interface for level data, and it implements a number of powerful data operations, and it is also familiar to users of both database frameworks and those who use spreadsheets. We know that now NumPy ND array data structure provides essential features for the type of clean, well-organized data, but it also serves the purpose very well, but there are some limitations in NumPy. So we need more flexibility, like attaching labels to data, working with missing data, etc. And also there are some other limitations for which we need to make the data more structured, in a more structured form. So pandas is required, particularly it has series and data frame objects. It builds on the NumPy, on the top of NumPy array structure, and provides efficient data munging capabilities. And also most of the data scientists worldwide use pandas as a useful framework. So in this video we will first show you how to install and use pandas in Google Colab, and then we will take a look at the series object in NumPy, series object using NumPy and pandas. So let's start. So if you are using something like Anaconda or Google Colab, you already have pandas installed in your notebook. So you can just write import pandas, and then you can see the pandas version. So no requirement of installation. So just you can start right away. So then we can use import pandas and DRI pandas. We can write like this to see all the directories of pandas. So what we can do using pandas, we can factorize, we can get null values. If there is any null values in the dataset, we can merge datasets. There are lots of things we can do. We can plot, we can read CSV file, Excel file. So there are lots of things we can do using pandas. So as I have shown you previously, there are like pandas question mark. You can use these are in the build to see the built-in documentation of pandas. Pandas give question marks. You can see that it gives a detail about pandas, how it works. A documentation opens. So let me introduce you to panda series object. So pandas actually has some objects, so which can be thought as enhanced versions of NumPy structure arrays, in which rows and columns are identified with labels rather than like simple integer indices. So how we can start the code? First of all, we will have to write import NumPy as np, import pandas as pd. Pd is like an initialize the object. You can use pd. So like this, in panda series object we can create values in rows and columns. So what is pandas series? Actually, pandas series is a one-dimensional array of index data. It can be created from a list or array, as you can see here. So this is the list, Python list or NumPy list. So we have given some values 0.2, 0.51. So we can write it like this, pd.series, and then we can print the data. So you can see there are indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the data type is also shown as it is a float data type. So we can also write data.values to print the whole array. So there are two attributes, values and index attributes. These are built-in attributes, so we can use index to see the where it starts, the starting value. There are 5 values, so 1 2 3 4 5, so stop is equal to 5 and step size is 1. So like similarly, like if you remember in NumPy data array we have accessed it by the index, by its index. So similarly we can also do the same thing using pandas. We can access the second element in the array using data, and in square bracket notation we write 1. So 1 is 2.5, so it's showing the second element 2.5. And also we can access arrays like this. Also we can print a series of elements, like from index 2 to 5. So it prints all the elements from 2 to 5, 0 1 2, so 0.12 0.75. so also the data type is shown. Also similarly we can assign our own indexes. As you can see here that indexes are 2 3 4, but if you want, using pandas series object, we can assign our own index values. So as you can see that we have assigned index values as A, B, C, D, and similarly we have shown a new array list. So n data array has these elements. So you can see that now the indexes are assigned as A, B, C, D, and you can also call the element of the certain index using new indexing system. So you can n data inside square bracket you can write C to call the third element in the array. Also you can assign your own number like indexes 2 5 3 7. So similarly you can also call the third element using data 3. We can also create dictionaries using pandas series object. So these are like specialized dictionaries. So if you don't know that what is a dictionary is a structure that maps arbitrary keys to a set of arbitrary values, and a series is a structure that maps type keys to a set of type values. So let us see some example. So in dictionary this is the key California, and the value is the population, then population of Texas as value, Newark key, Newark population. So in this way this is a dictionary is made. We create a dictionary, so we can store it under the series object as rows and columns. So there is 2 rows and 1 2 3 4 5 rows and 2 columns. So that we can access like this. Similarly, as we have seen in NumPy and pandas, we can access the population of California by writing population in square bracket notation California, and also we can access all the population from California to Illinois like this, like indexing iterating arrays. So you can see all the, also you can simply use the indexing system which we use generally using 0 1 2. So we can also make our array list like this. So this is all from this video. I hope you understood pandas series object and how we can use to make different type of arrays using series objects. So in my next video I will talk about pandas data frame object. Thanks to you all for your time and understanding. Hope to meet you in my next video. Thank you.